Have you decorated yet? Maybe you've started your shopping list, or maybe you're just trying to survive another office holiday party. But before you pour that eggnog and drift into full holiday mode, let me ask you one question. Is your portfolio ready for the new year? Because whether 2026 turns out to be calm, chaotic, or something in between, your investments deserve a checkup, the same way your home heating system deserves a tune-up before winter hits. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 8 powerful steps, the exact ones that I use in my own portfolio, to make sure your portfolio is set up for success in the new year. And by the way, I put together a free holiday portfolio checkup guide you can download in the free resources section inside the Always Be Compounding Club. You can sign up for free at the link before. Grab it and follow along. Hello, fellow compounders. I'm Chen, CFA charter holder, former hedge fund manager, and chief compounder at the Always Be Compounding Club. On this channel, we talk about building wealth with clarity, discipline, and a long-term mindset so you can live life on your own terms. If you want to go deeper and ask me anything about your portfolio live, join me inside the Always Be Compounding Club for a coffee with the chief compounder. Use the promo code ONEFREECOFFEE for your first month free. And as always, before we dive in, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or tax advice. All tickers and examples are hypothetical and for illustration only. I'm sharing general information and examples, not recommendations tailored to you. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Your situation is unique. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any decisions. So let's begin. And we'll start by talking about why this simple ritual is one of the most powerful wealth habits you can build. Why a year-end checkup matters. The end of the year is the perfect moment to pause and reset. Think about everything that happened in 2025. We had interest rate surprises, inflation swings, market volatility, geopolitical tensions, election chaos, and yes, multiple government shutdown scares, including one full shutdown that froze federal operations and rattled the markets for weeks. Every headline tried to pull you off course. Even if you didn't touch your portfolio at all, the world around you shifted dramatically. A year-end checkup helps you step back from the noise and reassess with clarity. It's not about reacting, it's about realigning. Think of it like an annual physical. Your doctor checks your vital signs. You check your portfolio's vital signs. A few minutes of clarity today can prevent years of confusions later. And the best place to start is by zooming out and looking at the big picture. Step 1. Review your big picture. Pull up your brokerage dashboard, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, wherever your funds live, and evaluate 3 things. Total return. How did your portfolio perform overall? Emotional return. How did you feel about that performance? And 3, cash flow. What income did your portfolio generate? If your return was fine, but your stress level skyrocketed, that's a sign your allocation may not match your true comfort level. Once you understand the story your portfolio is telling, it's time to fix the drift through rebalancing. Step 2. Rebalance your allocation. Asset classes drift all year long. Stocks may have surged, bonds may have fallen behind, international might have lagged. Before you know it, your risk level is completely different from what you intended. Rebalancing resets your portfolio to your plan. Trim what's overweight, add to what's underweight. This isn't guessing the future, it's risk control. Here's a tax tip to rebalance your accounts. In taxable accounts, use tax loss harvesting, and in retirement accounts, use contributions or exchanges. After you fix the drift, it's time to prune the dead weight. Step 3. Trim the dead weight. Every portfolio has a freeloader or two, a stock or fund that just not earning its keep. Ask yourself, would I buy this stock today if I didn't already own it? Is this story still intact? Has the company improved or gotten worse? Selling dead weight isn't failure, it's discipline. Ben Graham said, the essence of investment management is the management of risk. With the weak spots cleared, let's make sure your income engine is running smoothly. Step 4. Review cash, income, and withdrawals. If you're retired or approaching retirement, this step is essential. Check the following. Do you have 1 to 2 years of expenses in cash or money markets? Are your dividends and interest stable? Did your withdrawal rate stay within the 3 to 4% guideline? And if you follow a bucket strategy, refill your short-term bucket now while markets are stable. Income is great, but diversification is what keeps your portfolio resilient. Step 5. Check your diversification. Look across your entire set of holdings. US versus international, stocks versus bonds versus alternatives, growth versus value, concentration in tech or AI, correlations between assets. All well-diversified portfolio wouldn't always feel exciting month after month, but it compounds steadily decade to decade. With diversification checked, let's make sure Uncle Sam doesn't get more than he should. Step 6. Tax and account optimization. Before December 31st, run this checklist. Max out retirement contributions. Consider Roth conversions. Harvest losses to offset gains. Donate appreciated stock. Align the right assets with the right accounts. Tax planning is the closest thing to a guaranteed return in investing. And now it's time for my favorite step, simplifying and automating. Step 7. Simplify and automate. A simple portfolio is a resilient portfolio. Clean up old forgotten accounts, duplicate holdings, unnecessary complexity. Then automate monthly contributions, rebalancing, and dividend reinvestment. Automation removes emotions and keeps your compounding even when life gets busy. And when everything in place, the final step brings it all together. Your purpose. Step 8. Reset your goals for 2026. Now that your portfolio is organized and aligned, ask yourself this: what do I want my money to do for me this coming year? Do my financial goals need adjusting? Are there new priorities, travel, giving, family support, or lifestyle changes? Your portfolio should serve your life, not the other way around. And that brings us to the greatest gift this process gives you: the gift of clarity. The best gift this holiday season isn't a stock tip or a new gadget. It's clarity. Clarity about where you stand, what needs attention, what doesn't, and what truly matters. Clarity gives you peace. Confidence gives you courage. And courage gives you freedom. So, this holiday season, give your portfolio and your future self a little care. Review, rebalance, refresh. And don't forget, you can download the free holiday portfolio checkup guide inside the free resources section of the Always Be Compounding Club. Sign up for free at the link below. Then close your laptop, pour that eggnog, and enjoy time with the people you love. Because wealth isn't about numbers. It's about the life those numbers make possible. I'm Chen, and remember, the secret to building wealth isn't predicting the future. It's to always be compounding. Happy holidays. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.